Hey guys, this is
Jasper.
and I'm his dad.
And you're watching the adventures of Jasper and Daddy.
Alright, getting pretty good at that. So in previous video, we did Thanos, step 3. Before we started making videos, we had done the Iron Man. And so today...
Spiderman!
Can you sing the Spider-Man song?
No, I can't sing all of it. I can only remember one part.
Which part?
Spiderman.
Does whatever.
Spider can.
Spins away.
Actually, I know 2 parts. That one and then, watch out, here comes Spiderman.
Alright, the original theme song is the best one. Alright, so today we're going to do step 1. Here's the instructions. Ooh, extra package of just webs it looks like. Some stickers. And we got step 1.
It's really easy.
Step 2. Step 3. So we're going to do
Step 1.
step 1.
And step 1 is really easy because it doesn't go all the way to the top.
Okay.
It's really easy.
So you're saying it's easy because the bag's not full?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, look at that. The webs actually go with the little dude. Interesting.
I found a symbol for him. And I found him.
Okay, so step 1 is to make the dude. You want to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Step 1. Make the little dude. The dude that goes inside the suit. Like this.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The dude's done.
Okay, sure. I'm going to try and figure out what's going on here.
Here he is. Here's the dude.
Okay, now we got it. Where's the dude? Alright guys, that was way harder than it should have been. But I think I figured out the web. The first part of the web. Boom. Spider-Man shooting the web. That's pretty cool. I don't think he's going to stand up with all that weight on him though. I guess it helps him stand actually.
Because the web is touching the ground, the edge, so you can stand up.
Okay, so looks like we're building another web for the other hand. So that one goes in this hand. Huh.
That kind of looks like gold, but it is gray.
There you go, guys. Spider-Man's shooting webs everywhere. Okay. We still got some more web pieces here.
Maybe they're extra.
So now it looks like we're going to build the chest piece. So guys, I think we're going to build this chest piece now. Alright, first thing you need, Jasper, is a blue one and a red one. Stick them together. Can you do that?
Blue and red.
Yeah, the blue one on top. Okay, turn it upside down. Nope. Okay, and then turn it upside down so the red's on top. Just like that. And then we're going to need these 2 pieces that look brown in the instructions, but I guess they're actually gray. So, one there. Do you want to put the other one in?
No.
Yeah? Oh, that's the right one. Okay.
Dad, you gotta see this. It's matching. There's a hole in this one, and look it.
Okay, so similar kind of piece there, yeah.
But these ones just have to click together.
Legos have interchangeable parts, that's for sure. Okay, so we know that his feet are going to go there.
Now this looks like one person could sing. Yeah, 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 yeah. The Spiderman, that's me away.
Okay, so coming along. All right, so next we need the two blue pieces. All right, so that piece is done for now. Now we're going to do this. So we need a red square. And then we need this triangly weird red thing to go on top of it. Okay, so like that. There we go. So far so good. Now we need a red thing with a circle. Two of them.
Two of them?
Yeah.
Here's the second one. Are you going to take it?
And then, oh, you found it already. You're getting ahead of me. Good job. Okay, two blue thingies. Got them?
Are you going to take it?
Give it to me.
Are you even going to take that?
Okay, two of these black pieces, or I guess they're gray.
Your microphone pieces.
The microphone pieces, yes. Okay. Ooh. Looks like we're attaching them together now. So it looks like that. Okay, so you're right, we need those and those other red pieces.
There's even one more. Dad, there's one more.
That might be extra. Oops.
That looks weird. Oh, maybe he's gonna sit.
Is there a circle red piece?
A circle red piece? Here's one.
Should look like these.
Yes, I already put that on.
Oh, you put it on already.
Yes.
Okay, so you're ahead of the game. Okay, so he put the Spiderman symbol on the front of the chest. And I didn't see him do it, so I got tricked. So that's gonna go like that.
And Dad, here's one more piece.
Ah, see, I was confused. I thought he had to stand here, but the actuality, he's gonna stand this way, and this is gonna come up on him. That makes more sense. So that's the chest piece, guys.
Dad?
So without the webs on.
I'm holding something.
Yeah, extra pieces. So the dude stands here. And then the chest piece closes. And that's how Spider-Man gets his own kind of machine like this. So that'll mount onto some legs and some arms later. That's it for step one. We'll see you guys in... What? Yeah, these must be extra pieces, like you said, because we're done. Look. Step one is done. This is step two. Okay, so it's where we build the arms. So we're done for today.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Here's some extra pieces.
Extra pieces and web pieces too. which we can probably make our own designs with later. Anyway, what do you want to say?
Subscribe and like this video.
Okay, like and subscribe to the video. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.